What's up, guys? JSM MX Racing here, and today I was washing my dirt bike, right? And she's right here. You can see her. She's all clean, almost. And all I hear is a bunch of sirens just start up. Cars, fire trucks, police cars, police cars, stuff like that, just come racing down my street right here. Now they're way down there somewhere. And so, like, I'm just sitting here cleaning, and all of a sudden I hear that. And there was just a shooting down the street. And they threatened Hamilton County schools. So, yeah, it's a little bit scary, but I'm okay. But yeah, it's kind of scary. So, we'll see what happens. See you later. Wait, no. I'm going to keep y'all on just in case anything happens. Probably won't, but I'll just get some footage. Okay. Look at this. She's so clean. Haven't totally finished cleaning her because I got to wipe her down. Like, I wiped most of that down. Right. You can't see it. Right there. That was really dirty. That's the back fender. The inside of it. And the exhaust is clean. That's an old FMF exhaust from like 99, and no, not 99. That's an FMF, big old fatty pipe. Big fatty pipe. Like, look at it on this bike. That's a big one. And it gives it a lot of power. Probably about 18 horsepower with that extra. Gives it a little more, like 2 horsepower extra than the normal one. So yeah, she's pretty clean. I'm gonna keep wiping her down, so let's see what happens. So guys, we're back, and she is almost clean. I just didn't want to hold y'all up real long, even though it was a fast one. It was time lapse, but I'm gonna do a little more, and we will be done. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so it is done. I am about to go to McKay's. So I gotta jump in the shower and see y'all in a little bit. And there's the final result. Looks pretty good. So yeah, stay tuned.